Oh, hi. I've just received a new network radio. I had an old, well, not so much old, but it was a 7S Plus network radio. I bought it at a Hamfest a couple of years back, really impressed with it, but I wanted to go to that next level. So I've sold that on, and I have yesterday taken delivery of the Radio-Tone. The model of this one is the RT4, and I thought I'd just share with you the unboxing of it and see what you think. Now I got it from the ham radio store at Martin Lynch and Sons. I'll just read you what it says about it, which is why I decided to change over from the 7S Plus. The RT4 PTT smartphone is very robust, Motorola style and license-free radio, and it has no distance limitations unlike traditional radio. It is suitable for 3G, 4G and Wi-Fi network with high accuracy GPS antenna with online positioning software included. While instant location can be tracked by different platforms like PC and other smartphones, owners can track location history and speed of any phones. There will be alarm and notifications for any phone which are out of the boundary setting made by the owner. The network radio is fully compatible with the International Radio Network, the IRN, and with the new Echo Link for Android. It sounded good to me, that's why I've got it. So let's waste no time and get on with unboxing the goodies. The radio itself comes packaged in a very sturdy cardboard box, nothing special about it. I mean, it's quite simply designed but very nice, very sturdy. The smartphone itself is very well packaged, quite chunky. It feels like it's made very well, but let's go on and see what we've got in here. Okay, so we've got the actual smartphone itself. Comes packaged in a nice little bag. It does feel quite robust. Yeah, it's I definitely prefer this to the old 7S Plus. There was nothing wrong with it, but just for the feel, I prefer this one. It feels sturdy, it feels good. You've got a battery compartment on the back, and let's see if we can get this off. Easier said than done when you're filming these things. Yeah, this isn't going to happen on camera. Okay, right, well, there is the battery is already in there. I know that it has two SIM card slots in there, and I'm using one of the SIM card from my own my old 7S Plus, so you can put two in there. I'm just using it with the one. I think it's a 3.1 milliamp hour battery. It certainly, all the buttons feel, I mean, it just feels good. Really like that. You've got a little space down here for a speaker mic, which I have actually got there as well. You've got space on the top there for the antenna, which has got, well, it's a female connector, an SMA connector on the antenna itself, so that just screws in there like so. Let's see if we've got any juice in this, shall we? You never can tell. We do also have a set of instructions. Oh, it's coming to life, so maybe it's got a little bit of charge in there. Let's wait and see what happens. Actually, while that's booting up, got some instructions here. There's not a lot to it. It does tell you how to take the battery cover off. I mean, it's a sensible size, I can read it, and my eyesight is not the best. Yeah, I think that's not bad for instructions as they go. Got a little plug here. Oh yeah, there we go. So it's a USB connection. Just flip the earth pin up and we're ready to go there. That's nice. We've got a nice USB cable. I think that is, it looks like, I think that's a, oh no, it's just a mini USB there. I don't know if you can see that connection in there, whether the camera will focus or not, but it's a mini USB. And then you've got a little belt clip that will slide on the back of there. Oh yeah, the phone's gone off now, so there's not much charge in that at all. So I'm just going to see if we can get this off again. It seems to indicate that you push it from the bottom. Oh, there we go. Right, brilliant. So as you can see, the battery itself is built in to the actual back cover. What have we got there? How many milliamps? Oh right, this is 4,000. I think that says 600 milliamps. So that's a good sized battery, that is. And then just looking at the inside of the phone, you've got there's two IMEI numbers in here, and you've got slots for your 2 SIM cards. You've got the rear camera, you've got a front camera. All in all, I'm very impressed with the initial feel of the phone. It feels lovely. Now I also decided to, just moving the phone to one side, I also decided to get the speaker mic for this as well. So we'll just have a little look at that. Oh, it's got a decent lead on it as well. So, you know, that's good. So, very sturdy clip on the back. And if I just grab a screwdriver, which I should have had by me, just bear with me. There we go. And I think this this clip on the actual mic goes in here, so we'll just unscrew this. Nearly there. At least you know it's not going to come out easily, which is a good thing. There we go. That removes the cover completely, and then it's just the reverse of what we've done. Now it looks like you actually slide it in the top. It's got a little tag on there, I don't know if you can see it, that just hooks over the top of the radio. You then push it in, and then it's got a thumb screw here, which also has a flat slot in the top if you just want to nip it up just a little bit more tighter than your fingers will allow. So that, yeah, that feels really nice. I'm really impressed with that. Yeah, that's good. And then I also decided that I would get the desktop charger and mount, so we can just drop the unit in. Now I'm guessing the mount is for the car. That looks like a suction cup. Might use that. That's not exactly what I bought it for. I was just wanting the actual charger itself. So this will go into the plug. If we just put this back on here very quickly. There we go. Right. And then as you can see, that, oh, and it's got a little two little locating sliding holes here, so you can just slide that into the charger and it can sit there and charge. That's actually really nice. I think this is a superb radio. I'm gonna go and put some charge into this because I'm actually quite excited to use this. So we'll get that done and we'll come back and report our findings.